As the number of requests to our microservices increase, we will be scaling our application across different servers. That is, we will deploy the same microservice and there will be multiple instances of the same microservice running on different servers so that the client can make calls to one of these instances as required. So instead of all the clients calling into the same instance, the load should be distributed across these multiple instances of microservice running. Here we have product service, which can make the first call to the coupon service instance running on the first server. Then the next request will go to the second server and so on. To do this client side load balancing, we use Ribbon from Spring Cloud. Feign client, which you have already used, beautifully integrates with Ribbon, and the load will be balanced from the client side itself. Later on, you will see how to do server side load balancing using Zool and Ribbon. For now, this is client side load balancing. The client itself will decide to which instance the request should go to. It's very easy. The first step is to configure Ribbon in the pom.xml of your product service. You will add the Ribbon dependency, Spring Cloud, Starter, Netflix Ribbon. Once you have it, you will go to your RESTful client, which is the coupon client. Add this annotation at Ribbon client, provided the application ID with which the application has registered on Eureka. Again, Ribbon and Feign will work together along with Eureka to balance the load on the client side. That is, on the client side, the decision will be made to which instance of the microservice the request should be sent. And then we will be deploying the coupon service on multiple servers. It's super simple. We'll run the same service on multiple ports of our machine so that there will be 2 instances of Tomcat, 2 instances of coupon service, and will make calls from the product service, and those calls will be going to different instances instead of going to the same instance of coupon service.